Advanced manufacturing is a fast-changing industry sector. If you want to lead and involve in this industry, this program is designed for you. My name is Dr. Shan Ghaffari, and I am the Dean of the Engineering here at Humber Polytechnic. This program recently developed considering all the new technology advances exist in the market. In the Polytechnic environment, the focus is that to have a meaningful hands-on experience for the students during their education. So in this program, not only we provide required technical knowledge, but also we are going to provide them a lot of hands-on activities. All of the courses have real industry projects that the students have the opportunity to think out of the box and implement new technologies within the real problems from the industry. The other important factor about this program is that a number of the faculty that we're teaching in this program, they are working in the industry. So they are very familiar with the requirement of the industry, and also they're working with the newest technology available. Considering the wide range of the technical skills and non-technical skills that these graduates are going to gain through this program, they can have different type of the roles, from the leading the technical projects, implementation of the new technologies, changing the industry sector. I can say that the different type of the companies from the typical mass manufacturing automotive industry to the very new automation companies that they use automation within their field, such as the mining, such as packaging. Transportation is another one which is very focused on the automation as well. This program is developed very closely with the collaboration with the industry, and the graduates are very well suited to be working in the industry right after the graduation.